Hello guys, and welcome to the results of the giveaway. So, as you know, we're giving away a packet of these, brand new sealed Radical 80's. Just a beautiful, beautiful deck. Check out some of the faces we got here. It's just beautiful. The old calculator style. Numbers, 4 different colours. What more could you want? So this is what we're giving away, one of these. So as per the rules, I asked you all to show me your favourite deck, whether you own it or not, whether you know much about it or not, you've just seen it and you love it. And I'd go for a top 5 and pick a winner. So that's what I've done. So I'll move these to the side because some of the pictures will be taking up this space here. And we'll crack on and have a look at them. So in number 5, we've got the Dead Man's Deck. Now this was from Terry McGee. He said he fell in love with playing cards upon seeing this deck and he'd searched for a long time to try and find it, which was really quite interesting. The tuck case here is a very simple, old style looking, almost cardboard playing card box with a very simple Dead Man's Deck written on the front, like an old Houdini poster. Here you can see it's like a burnt bullet hole that travels all the way directly through the centre of the deck. Now obviously it looks like it might give you a bit of jip, you might not be able to fan or whatever because it might catch the holes rubbing on each other, but actually surprisingly the reports are saying that it's really, really very good. The ace there, again, it's got that blood spatter as if this deck was in a cowboy's pocket. They took a shot at it and it saved his life. In 4th place with the name Nameless Player, they said the Glitch 2.0 deck was their favourite. Now looking at the tuck case here, it looks very cool. It's like an Aztec orange and lime. So it looks like it's got a sort of tiki mask on the side, but I like the rainbow of the seal there. Apparently it's Kickstarter funded by someone called Zalil Zumbrum. I don't know, I just really love this effect here. It's almost like a printing error, like a glitch in the system. Now I think, I don't know, I see that more to do with sort of circuitry or the matrix, you know, that sort of thing. So it would have been cool to have seen the tuck case look more like something that I'd associate with that. But yeah, it's still very nice. Just look at the effects in it, it's just brilliant. In 3rd place we have Deepak Gupta with the Vert Spring Summer 15s. So now I've never really been into virtuosos. I had the fall winter 17 ones, the green ones I think they are. I had some of those and I really like the handling of them. I don't know, I was put off by the hype, to be honest. But these are by far the most beautiful. They are probably way out of my price range now. Yeah, they were ones I always regretted not getting. And I don't know, I think the colour scheme, the blue and the red is very cool. I mean, I'm a massive fan of blue and red or blue and orange. That sort of blue and like a proper bright orange. I like the way the faces have changed up a bit as well. You know, the pips are stretched out so that when you did a fan face up, you might see more of it. And I mean, the ace is really cool. And yeah, I don't know, I just really like it. Yeah. Next up, we have Paul Reese, 85, the Bicycle Urban Punk. Now, I'm not familiar with this, and I wasn't overly sure. You know, I had seen the deck before, but I never really paid too much attention to it. And now I look at it, I can kind of tell, now that I've obviously done some research for this video, that it's almost Banksy-like, in the sense that it's got that sort of seriousness with a joyful twist to it. You know, the bee there, the kid stealing the bee off the bicycle logo, like they're taking the light off a neon sign outside a shop. That's what it really reminds me of. And I really like these royalty here. You know, you've got like a really punky looking queen there. You know, a rebel of a king. You know, spray paint mask on, clearly laying down some spray paint. But what I like most about it is it's like a cartoony drawing overlaying a standard face. You know, it's like the deck set out to be serious, and then it was taken over by this sort of little sketch artist who might have drawn it. You know, like if you draw over a newspaper article, you put like a little devil horns and a smiley face on it. I don't know, something about it really grabbed my attention. These contrasts are really, really, really nice, and yeah, I just like the twist on it. I think it's really cool. I like the sort of watercolory splash effect behind the pips as well. I think they're very, very nice. But the top spot has to go to Alan Holmes with the Cherry Casino V1s. He says it's got the one of 500. It's got a home, too scared to open it. I say cards are there to be loved, and this is why I picked the Cherry Casinos though, because I've loved them since the second I heard about them. I think the colour's really, really nice, and the good thing is that they've released the V3, which I have, and they released it in this colour. It's almost the same, but as you can see here, it's borderless. Yeah, I don't know, I just love them. I think they're really nice. And I'm not even really a collector of casino cards. These are just so nice, so I had to give it to Alan Holmes. So if you want to get in contact, just drop me a message on the channel and I will get back to you. I need your address and obviously what country you live in, etc, etc. And then I can send you out these babies. Thanks for taking part, guys, and keep your eyes peeled for next time when we may be giving something else away. Take care.